Guys, I got something crazy good for you today. Anybody looking to start affiliate marketing and want to start for free using this method I just learned about today that not many people are using, and you get started right now as soon as you get done with this video and start promoting affiliate marketing products from places like ClickBank, etc. So stay with me throughout this video. What's up guys, Zeb here, and today we're going to be talking about how to get started in affiliate marketing for free today and start promoting products from like ClickBank or JVZoo or whatever product line that you want to promote from. All right, so before we get started, I would like to introduce myself to those that don't already know me. My name is Zeb Summers. I talk about digital marketing, mindset, and freedom, and I'm here to help you through your journey to a laptop lifestyle. Now guys, if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, click that little notification bell, and drop me a comment down below. And if you are interested in learning more about affiliate marketing, click the link at the top of the description, or full-time passive income, click the second link in the description. All right, guys, let's get straight into this video. What we're going to be talking about today is how to promote ClickBank products. We're going to go into ClickBank. If you don't have a ClickBank account, go to clickbank.com, create your account. It's going to ask you for some banking information, but that's how you get paid, so don't feel bad. Don't be scared. This is a very good, legit company. It's been around for a long time. All right, almost every affiliate marketer started with ClickBank. All right, so once you get your ClickBank account and you log in, you want to go to Marketplace, and it's going to bring you to this screen here. What we're going to be talking about today is make money offers or business opportunities. So what I'm going to do, we want to promote big ticket items. So what we want to do is we want to go over here and we want to type average sale 150. So this is going to, what this is going to do, anything that makes a sale of $150 or more, it's going to show us. All right. And then we want to come over here and type insert and just sort by gravity, because gravity is a good way to what this number is. This is how many people have sold a product in the last 28 days. So 78 people have sold this product in the last 28 days. That's pretty good. All right. So that one's 78. This one is 48 people. This one has 17 people, and you can start seeing, all right, so the gravity goes down, but you can still see people are still making sales. So a lot of people are like, you always want to go with the one with the highest gravity, but I'm not completely sold on that, because you could still be selling these products, all right, because people are selling them. So just pick one that you want to sell, or pick all of them, all right? So I'm going to show you how to do this for free with this method that hardly nobody else is using, all right? So we're going to pick our product. All right, so let's just say we'll pick this product, $253 per sale. All right, each time somebody buys, you get $253. This is a affiliate page. Now I don't know what this is going to take us. So this is going to take us to some affiliate information about that product. All right, so most of these products have an affiliate page, and then this is the sales page of this product. So you can review this stuff and see what it's. This is what the customers are actually going to get sent to. They're going to get sent to this free online workshop, and then if they go through this workshop and buy something, you're going to get paid, okay? So now that we got our product, we need to get a link, all right? So what we want to do is hit the promote button, all right? So this has a couple different ways you can earn, all right? So you can use this if you want to send traffic to a free online workshop directly and earn $220 per sale. You can use this if you want to send traffic to the sales page directly and earn $220. So you can say, you know what, I want to do one with the free and one without, and just to see which one is the best. All right. So for this video, we're just going to pick the free one. All right. So it's going to go through that free workshop, and then it's going to take you into the sales video at the end of the workshop. So now we have a link. We want to come to something like TinyCC and just post in your link here, shorten it. Excuse me. And once that gets shortened, you just copy it. Then you want to come over here and test it. All right. So you always want to test your links, because a lot of times these things don't work. If you don't test it, then you're going to lose out on a lot of stuff. So it's sending us right to the free workshop. All right. So once we got our page, our product that we want to promote, we come over here and we come into this program, this website here, thefreeadforum.com. All right, thefreeadforum.com. You want to type that, hit enter, and you're going to come to this screen. You can see there's 47,000 people already promoting business opportunities, 2,300 for sale, services, jobs. So you can see there's already people promoting. A lot of work from home stuff. So you might want to jump out of that niche and jump into one of these down here. So just pick one that you want to promote. What we'll be doing today is we'll do business opportunities. All right. Now, maybe we'll do work at home. All right. But either way, when you click on one of these, what it's going to take you to is business opportunities. All right. So this is like different opportunities. And most of these are probably ClickBank offers. Let's see. Warrior Plus. So it's another company kind of similar to ClickBank. So this guy's selling this product here, all right, like high ticket hijack. But you can see there's many different ads here, all right. So you can just create an ad and it's totally free. So first thing you want to do is you want to come in here and register. You want to register your account. You want to put your name, email, password. Click that you're not a robot, even though sometimes I feel like a freaking robot. Hit create. All right. So once you hit create, I'm going to go ahead and log in here because I want to create a ad. I don't want to show you guys my ads because then everybody will create the same exact ad as me and then we'll just have like 10,000 ads of all the same thing. So once you get logged in, here's my account, Zeb Summers. You see your ads when you click on my account. You want to hit publish your ad. All right. So click publish your ad. You want to select one of your things. So maybe we'll do work at home. All right. I have an ad pre-written. And this is my title, learn how to make a passive income online. And then I got some text here. All right. I got some text. Now I want to copy this guy because my text has a different link in it. All right. At least I thought it did. Maybe it didn't. So once you got your text, and one thing, a tip, take all this white space out. Oops. Because one thing it'll do is put in be on your way. Man. One thing it'll do is put too much white space and look stupid. So best thing to do is upload a picture. So you want to upload an image. All right. So you want to grab one of these images. It's just a free image. You can go to any royalty-free images. All right. So you pick your image. It's there. You want to pick where you want to promote. Let's say United States. Let's say New York. Is it going to let me pick a city or what? Oh, yeah. Another thing you want to do is paste your website here. Pick a city. I guess there's a lot of cities in New York. It took a while for it to load. We're just going to say Newark. Or New York. We'll say New York City. How about that? That's a big one. We'll promote to that. And then you come down here at the bottom. All right. So there's different ways to promote. You can do a YouTube video. If you have a YouTube video, throw it in there. But there's three ways to promote. You can do a free, totally free. You can do $5 where they mark it as premium, or $5 as highlight, or do both for 10, or do 3-in-1 where it highlights them and it makes it a better view. All right. So it'll highlight it and premium it. But we're just going to say no thanks. We don't want to pay that $5 right now. We want to do this for freaking absolutely free, and we want to publish. All right, so what's going to happen is you hit publish, and boom, it just sent it. And what's going to happen is you're going to get an email. It's going to tell you that your ad has been added. All right, so we did the work at home. Let's see if, right here it is. Learn how to make a passive income online. So this is the ad that we just posted, all right? Learn how to make a passive income online, New York City. Look, have you ever been broke? Blah, 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 blah. Come down here, click on the link, and you can see it's taking you to this workshop. All right. But guys, that's not all. Once you get your ad going, you do this for many, many different products. You just go back to ClickBank, go through all the products, take this whole process over and over and over. You can do the same product with maybe different titles in different cities. Just use this method to see if you can get some clicks into your ClickBank. All right. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. It wasn't too long. It got straight to the point, and hopefully you'll make your first affiliate sale soon. Peace out, guys. Catch you on the next video.